Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing my face, hello, my name is TK, and on this channel I dive deep into handbags, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things luxury. But of course over here we like to keep it at a minimal cost. If this is your vibe, sis, go ahead and take a moment and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm doing a fun video. I'm doing, as you saw in the title, of what's in my bag. I have always loved these videos. These videos are OGs. These videos is what started me watching YouTube all the time. And it's just fun seeing what people have in their bags. And bag of choice, as you saw in the title, my classic flap and caviar leather gold hardware, size small. And just to touch on this bag a little bit, this bag is gorgeous. This bag is beautiful. I am one with the gold hardware. You all know I love gold hardware because I'm always wearing gold. And the caviar leather, I chose caviar leather because the caviar leather, to me, it holds up and it's more durable than lambskin bags. And you don't have to baby. And I am one that I have a lot of bags and I usually don't baby my bags. And this bag right here is such a classic. I think that if you had to have one luxury bag in your collection, I always feel like the classic flap is the bag for a luxury woman. And the way that you can tell from a medium flap to a small flap, the medium flaps has 8 diamonds and the small flap, as you can see, 7 diamonds. That lets you know that this is a small bag. And as I said, the medium bags have 8 diamonds. So let's just go ahead and get inside the bag. So inside the bag, this is the double flap, and it has this beautiful, beautiful burgundy material, and this is what fits in here. I usually like I said, I don't baby my bags, so I do cram a lot in my bags, and it does have the Mona Lisa smile pocket in the back. And let's just start with the back flap. So in the back flap, I have a card holder, and it fits all my cards. And in my card holder, I just carry just my health insurance cards. I carry my HSA spending health card. I carry my credit cards, my debit cards, and my license in this. And this is a good one to carry. I prefer a little tiny card holder because card holders are easy just to deal with, because you could just grab it out of one purse and throw it in the other, and you don't have to worry about a big bulky wallet because it fits perfectly in this back flap. And next in the back that I have some Simply gum. I love this gum. Some people don't like this gum, and I know people think this gum is so weird, and this is how this gum looks, if you can see. I love this gum, and I love it in the peppermint or the grapefruit. I do have spearmint, but my favorite is either the candy cane, because they do have peppermint and they have candy cane. So my favorite of the peppermint group is the candy cane. The candy cane smells really, really good, and it tastes really good. And yeah, I always keep gum because, you know, sometimes you don't want to, you go somewhere and you don't want to have stinky breath. Moving on to the inside of the flap, the inside large flap, which I carry. I always have my 6 key holder. I love this 6 key holder, and I have it with the pink button. I love the pink interior. I'm not even going to go inside because she looks atrocious in the inside. But yes, I keep my 6 key holder in this bag. And I also have my AirPods, because you just never know when you're out and you're on your cell phone. And I am one that don't like to be out in public loud on my phone, so I definitely keep AirPods with me. And y'all already know TK is an ashy girl. I tell you this all the time. I am dry like no other. I'm dry like the desert. So I always keep some hand lotion with me, and I have this one right here. And it doesn't have to be this. This is just, you know, this is just bougie. This is technically bougie. I just love it for the bougie look, and I wouldn't spend my money on this if I were you, because it's okay. It's not the best. It's okay. My favorite is, I like to use beef tallow lotion, and I'm gonna have to get into that with you girls one day, but go on Amazon and check out some beef tallow lotion. That lotion will save your life. I have the ones that I like best below in the description box so that you can check them out on Amazon. And I also carry this. I showed this in a previous video, and this little, she packs a lot, and I love it because she fits perfectly in this bag. So let me show you what I have in here. I always keep floss because you never ever know when you're gonna have things in your teeth and all of that, and I just have just this little cute floss, and I like it because it just sits perfectly in this little floss case. So I recommend a floss case. You can pick them up on Amazon. And I also have, this is a Diva cup. I don't know if any of you know a Diva cup. I'm pretty sure all of my viewers, if you're a woman, you know what a Diva cup is. So I don't have to say much more about that. I also carry a compact. This is my bougie compact. I love this mirror. I definitely use this mirror a lot, and I like it because one side magnifies and the other side is regular, and I just feel like every woman needs a mirror because you never know when you have to fix yourself up. You never know when you need to floss, and you need to look to see what you're doing to make sure you got whatever in your teeth out your teeth. But yes, I love this mirror. I've had this mirror for so long, and this mirror is still holding up. I love this mirror. I also have a little mini perfume. I always keep a mini perfume with me because I feel like sometimes these perfumes wear off, and you know, sometimes if you're going somewhere you want like a refresh, and this is one of my favorite, the YSL Libre. This is one of my favorites, and I love to layer this with the what is it, the Rio de Janeiro 62, the caramel and pistachio. With this, thank me later. And I have some lipstick. I always keep lipstick, and this is by Auntie Pat, and I love this shade. I love this shade so much, and I definitely like to layer this with lip gloss because she is very, very matte, but I love her. And I also have my Holy Grail. I can't go without my Holy Grail. This is my Holy Grail, and I actually have her on right now. I love this, and this is in the shade Stockholm. This to me is the best matte lipstick. I love this stuff. I love it, and I always layer it with my lip liner, and this is a MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. I don't know if you see that, but this and this together, these two, is the perfect combination for the most elegant lip combo. I love that lip combo. And I also have this in my, I also keep some eye drops, and I love these eye drops, girls. These eye drops by Lumify, when I say it makes your eyeballs white. Your eyeballs are white, that it's scary white, but I love it because I love when my eyes pop. My eyes are one of my better features, so I try to do anything to make my eyes pop, and this stuff I love. And I also have some nail oils for when my nails Since I'm a dry girl, my nail bed always gets really dry. And this stuff right here is really, really good. It comes with this little brush. And then when you open it up, you can just pop a little on, and that's how it looks. And I usually just do this and this brush is really good because if you don't really want to touch it, and this is how it just makes it so shiny. And this is actually good. This is the Junico, and this got me on IG. I was influenced to buy this. They gave me this actually free with the hand lotion, and the girl's hand looked so beautiful with that. So I was influenced to buy it, and I bought it, and they gave me this for free. Do I recommend the lotion? No. That's going to be for another video when I talk about what I regret buying, but I love this stuff. And yeah, that's all that I have in here. So that's all that fits in my classic flap in the small caviar leather with gold hardware. This bag to me, as I said, is such a classic. It is so beautiful, and I just think this is one bag that you definitely want to keep in your collection or have in your collection. I just feel if you're going to purchase a luxury bag, I know the prices of these bags are ridiculous, but you can go on the pre-loved market and you can find some pretty good ones for a reasonable price. Check into these resale markets if you are interested in purchasing an authentic classic flap, but this bag will always stay in my collection. And yeah, that's what's in my bag. All right, my babes, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed what was in my bag, what actually fit in a small classic flap, caviar leather, gold hardware. That bag was amazing. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all of my social media pages. Give this video a big thumbs up because that lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my content. And until the next video, stay stylish, stay confident, and I will see you in my next. Forget all about it. It's once heard name.